guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Lila with you, and we continue to learn Russian language easily. Today we are going to learn the verb to be in the past, was and were. In Russian language, it's not a difficult topic. It's pretty easy in comparison with other topics in Russian language. So let's get started. You should know that there is no to be verb in Russian language in present tense, but there is to be in the past, and it has only 4 forms: feminine, masculine, plural, and neuter. So for masculine nouns we use был. For feminine nouns we use была. For plural nouns we use были. And for neuter nouns we use было. There is O letter in the ending, but it is pronounced like A, было, because I is stressed. Было. For example, он был в университете. He was at the university. Она была в школе. She was at school. Мы были на свадьбе. We were at the wedding. Вчера было весело. It was fun yesterday. So for describing the adverb, we use было. And for describing nouns, because they have genders, we use был, была, были, and было for neuter nouns. For making negative wasn't or weren't, we just add the word не. Не был, не была, не были, не было. For example, вчера я не был на уроке. Это не было интересно. Also we use the verb не было in negative form for indicating absence of something. For example, she wasn't there, or there wasn't any book. We put the noun in the genitive case. You remember the endings for genitive case? If not, I will leave the link in the description box. You can go and review this lesson. We replace last letter for feminine nouns to I or I. For example, мама мамы, не было мамы. And we add A or Ya letters to masculine nouns. For example, телевизор, телевизора, не было телевизора. And for neuter nouns, the same thing. We replace the last letter with A or Ya letters. For example, детство, детство, не было детства. Let's have a look at some examples. Example sentences. Там была твоя подруга? Нет, там не было моей подруги. На столе был документ? Нет, на столе не было документа. And we put pronouns in accusative case. We didn't learn this case yet, but I give you the list of the pronouns in accusative case in order to be able to make the sentences in the past. Меня, тебя, ее, его, нас, вас, их. So please be careful. You use pronouns in accusative case only in negative sentences with the verb to be. For example, меня не было на вечеринке. I wasn't at the party. Or you can say, я не был на вечеринке. If you are a man and if you are a woman, you say, Я не была на вечеринке. So you have two options. You can say я не был, я не была, or you can say меня не было. Почему тебя не было вчера? Она была на вечеринке. Нет, ее не было на вечеринке. Он был на встрече. Нет, его не было на встрече. Я видел вас вчера, но нас не было там. Они были у тебя в гостях? Нет, их не было у меня в гостях. So let's make a little conclusion for this topic. In Russian language, the verb to be doesn't exist in present tense. It exists only in future and in past. Today we learned past form of the verb to be, and it has 4 forms according to the gender of the noun: masculine, feminine, plural and neuter. For masculines we use был, for feminine была, for plural были, and for neutral nouns было. And we use было for describing absence of something, of subject in the past. For example, it wasn't, or she wasn't, he wasn't, I wasn't. Меня не было, тебя не было, книги не было. We put nouns in genitive case and we put pronouns in accusative case. That's all for today. I hope this lesson was useful for you. As always, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And of course, don't forget to click on the bell in order to get notifications when I upload a new video lesson. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.